In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email to case in Salesforce. This feature is incredibly useful for automating your customer support processes by converting customer emails into cases, which ensures that no inquiry goes unanswered and provides a streamlined way to manage customer requests. Let's start by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to locate and click on the settings icon, usually found on the top right corner of your dashboard. This will open up a menu. From the available options, select Open Advanced Setup to access a broader range of configuration options necessary for our setup. In the newly opened Setup page, type Email to Case into the Quick Find box. This search will help you quickly jump to the email to case settings without having to navigate through multiple pages manually. Once you see email to case in the search results, click on it to open the configuration settings. In the email to case setup page, the first thing you will do is enable the feature by clicking the option labeled Enable Email to Case. Enabling this will activate the automatic creation of cases from emails. Once that is on, you need to click on New to start configuring the specific email routing details. Now, enter a descriptive routing name. This name is often the specific support topic or department, like technical support or customer service, as it helps organize and direct the cases efficiently. Then specify the email address that will receive customer inquiries. This address acts as the trigger point for the emails that will be converted into cases. Next, you'll find an option to Control by Permission Set. Check the box next to it. This allows you to assign permissions to specific users or groups, ensuring that only authorized personnel can manage or view certain cases. Following that, you should also check the box labeled Save Email Headers. This feature will keep a record of the email metadata such as the sender, timestamp, and other important details which can be crucial for auditing and tracking purposes. The next step is to decide on accepted email addresses. Click on Accept Email From and decide if you want to specify certain incoming email addresses or domains that Salesforce should recognize and create cases from. This filter prevents spam and unrelated emails from cluttering your case records. Furthermore, enable the Create Task from Email option. This setting automatically generates follow-up tasks for your team, ensuring that each case gets the attention it needs. Also, set the task status to track the progress of tasks related to each case, helping prioritize and resolve cases efficiently. Finally, after you've reviewed all settings and ensured that everything is configured to your requirements, click on Save. This will finalize the email to case setup, and you're ready to start helping your team work smarter and provide excellent customer support. And there you have it, a streamlined way to set up email to case in Salesforce that ensures efficient handling of customer inquiries. Feel free to revisit these steps as you get familiar with this feature. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just let me know. Happy case managing!